In Tib-e-Nabvi, Prophetic Medicine, fever is described as a condition with significant spiritual and physical implications. It is viewed as a test and an opportunity for the believer to attain spiritual purification. Treatment recommendations. Barley water, satu, known for its cooling properties and often recommended for reducing the effects of fever. Honey, a natural remedy with healing properties. Dates, used to nourish and strengthen the body during illness. Black seed, kalanji, mentioned as a cure for every disease except death. Cupping, hijama, occasionally recommended to enhance blood circulation and detoxify the body. Diet and rest, emphasis on light, easily digestible foods and sufficient hydration. Adequate rest is essential for recovery. Dua, prayer. The Prophet, peace be upon him, encouraged making supplications for healing, such as, "O Allah, Lord of the people, remove the difficulty and cure the patient. You are the healer. There is no healing except your healing, a healing that leaves no disease behind." Modern relevance. While Tib-e-Nabvi offers guidance rooted in faith and natural remedies, it can complement contemporary medical treatments. Fever, often a symptom of underlying conditions, should also be addressed with medical advice when necessary.